Okay, all right, let's go over how to draw a hammerhead shark. Kind of a more scary-ish one, you know, not so much like National Geographic's one. So let's get started. It's gonna be beginners, by the way. If you're a beginner, very easy to do this with me. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over here on the side and I'm gonna curve for kind of the front of the head of the hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark is like, I don't know how to say, it's like a really underrated shark. It is so awesome looking, right? And if someone showed you a picture of that, you'd be like, that doesn't exist, but it does. It's like wild. Gotta go back here, up, back here, up. So we're kind of the eyes over here. We're starting out down. I'm gonna give it a kind of an angry look up over here. Curve underneath. Excuse me. And circle over here. And fill that out. Curve along the outside of that eye. And it's going to curve back in. Curve in here. And then I'm going to do another curve, kind of like arcing the other direction. So down here. Okey-doke. Down over here, the far end. You're not going to be able to see that eye because the eye is on the other side. Because, you know, it's just the way it is. And it's going to arc back in. Pulling down for the mouth area. Curve like so. Kind of for the lip area. Down over here. All right. I mean, that was just, you know, I'm just lengthening the line there. I didn't mean to confuse anybody. Sorry about that. Back over here. For the back. Let's put that fin. Curving back here. Actually, to be honest, I'm just going to curve it all the way. Like so. We're going to have a side fin over here. It's a triangle. Before any of that, I'm going to give him some like pretty cool teeth. Well, just, you know, triangular teeth. I'm going to pull down here. Pull down. Pull down. Same thing, triangle. Like so. Curve underneath for the mouth. And it's gonna wrap around here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the far side triangle teeth over here. I'm gonna do this. So we have this like, you know, his mouth is entirely open here on this side. Don't forget, hit the subscribe. I didn't talk about that. Hit the subscribe and hit the bell notification if you like lessons on different objects, on anything scary, basically, for the year. So I'm going to keep posting through the year. Curve over here. It's going to go up over here, curve over here. And I'm going to go underneath here, pull back. And it's going to shrink as it goes down, right? Because the end of the tail here. Fin on this side. Keep going all the way to the end. Out for the edge of that tail. Downward over here. Down for the bottom edge of this fin. And then pull back up. Smaller fin over here. Smaller fin over here. So now we have our general, you know, drawing, right? So this is the point where I go in and I'm like, okay, how can I detail this, right? How can I go in and put more stuff into this? And you can. So right here, I'm going to go in and I'm going to think of first off the gills. The counter shading, and pull a thin line along the edge over here. Line over here for the teeth. Filling this out. I'm gonna kind of blacken in like this area right here to make it dark. Well, most of it, except for some of the back, I'm gonna leave it a little bit exposed. So, maybe curve along here. And the far side eye looks so strange because it's on that far side. But, you know, you can kind of work with that, right? You can kind of have to deal with the strangeness of it. It looks like some sort of bizarre nose. But instead we're going to draw a nostril here, line underneath. Don't forget to hit the like button. Likes is what fuels the channel while the channel is on its down period, right? Because we are not in Halloween, right? And this is mostly a Halloween channel and a Christmas drawing channel. So, but like I said, I want to make it like scary drawing channel through the year, which I've already been doing, and you guys have been really cool. So, curve like thin lines here underneath. They kind of show the folding. Put a heavier line underneath here, because sometimes you like doing that because there's a lot of shadow underneath something. So you can kind of throw like a heavier line of almost everything underneath. Line under here to kind of give it a different look, you know, kind of gives it a kind of a stylistic look as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. And now's the time to, I'm gonna put little bubbles here. Now is the time to, you know, ask me questions, reply, you know, say hi to me in the comment section, you know. So thank you so much. If you want to see my full lessons, I'll put an announcement about that later. Talk to you soon.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.